Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear students and honorable viewers. You are most welcome to online education of Shalikh Dear learners, I think you are well by the bless of Almighty Allah. I'm also fine. Dear learners, we are continuing our class through online education. Dear students, in our previous class, we discussed different things. Today, I'm going to teach the students of class 10, that means SSC examining, and today I will discuss second paper. Dear learners, can you remember what we learned in our last class, in our last session? Today, we are going to learn transformation of sentences part 6. Okay, dear learners, today part 06. Today we will learn next part of transformation. That means we discussed in our last classes simple, complex and compound transformation of sentences. Today I'm going to give you an important rule. So, dear learners, open your exercise khata and hear me carefully. Look on the word board. Accordingly, draw column of simple, complex, and compound. Dear learners, simple, complex, compound. Very easy way. In a very easy way, we will transfer this sentence from one sentence to another. In case of simple, we will write for the first time at the time of oblique in the month year season of oblique at the age of plus others plus second clause. Dear learners, I told you second clause will be same in all the sentences. So if we find at the time of in the year of in the season of at the age of in the month of at the age of and others, then second clause. The learners, if it is found in simple sentence, then we will transfer. If we want to transfer it into complex, then we must have to use when for the first time. When if it express time, when if it express time, look, if when is used for time, then we will use this rule, dear learners. When plus first clause plus second clause. This is the rule. Dear learners, if we want to transfer this complex into compound, then we will use first clause plus and plus second clause. Too much easy thing. Dear learners, look, these are the rules. Now, if I give example of complex sentence, it will be easy for you. Dear learners, look, example, when I was 12, when I was 12, I passed JSC. Tell others, look, when I was 12, that means I was 12 years old, then I passed JSC. Here, look, here, this when expressing time, that means at the age of my 12, when my old was 12. At the age of 12, I passed JSC exam. Dear learners, if I want to transfer this into simple sentences, if I want to transfer this complex into simple, then we must have to look these rules. So here there is age. So I have written here at the age of, to pick out this when this is a symbol of complex sentence as it expresses time, so we have to use at the age of as 12 years old. Okay, so instead of when, here instead of when we will use at the age of. So look, dear learners, at the age of what? At the age of plus others, that means 12. At the age of 12, there is a comma. At the age of 12, then second clause. What is the second clause? I passed JSC. Yes, I passed JSC. Very much easy. At the age of 12, I passed JSC. Dear learners, you can easily, I think, understand. Second clause won't be changed here. Look, if I want to transfer this complex sentence into compound, then this is the first clause. What is the first clause? I was 12. Okay, I was 12. So this is first clause. I was 12. This first clause, I was 12. Plus and. Now and. I was 12 and then second clause. Same thing. What is the second clause? I passed JSC. I was 12 and I passed JSC. Dear learners, have you understood well? It is too much easy thing, and this is the way of transferring this sentence. I think this is the easiest way of learning transformation of sentences. I think you have well understood. If you have any lackages, then consult me and do it at home. So I think I should give you a homework of transfer at least 5 sentences from complex to simple and complex to compound. This is your homework. Write down 5 sentences by yourself and then transfer it into simple and compound. Dear learners, today it is enough for you, and I think you will be able to do at home. Thank you very much. Thank you all.